Python, Python, Python. क्या है ये Python? Well, from AI, artificial intelligence to insurance, retail banking to aerospace, finance to business services, healthcare to infotech, everyone is a big fan of this programming language. Well, how did it become a backbone of so many industries this soon? Hi, my name is Saurabh Bharadwaj. I'm a tech entrepreneur and working on various latest technologies from past 10 years. Along with me, I have my colleague.
Hello everybody, my name is Ashutosh Singh. I am a tech enthusiast working with future technologies like artificial intelligence, big data over cloud, and I'm also working in cloud engineering platform like Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google, etc. As well as I'm working in data engineering and DevOps automation from past 10 years. We brought our entire learning and experience to design this Python course for you. And we focused on your core learning on each topic.
Once you will go through with the entire curriculum, you will find all the topics being covered so intuitively. If you are a beginner, then this course is the right fit for you. Here, all the theoretical concepts, practicals, projects, assessment, and interview preparation questions have been covered from very basics. We both, me and Ashutosh, have designed this course in such a way that it should be very easy for you to understand each and every concept, where you will often see me and Ashutosh in the lectures as well.
So no more delay guys, let's just start with the very first module of this course, that is Python programming, from the next lecture itself. So thank you so much and enjoy core learning.